Nissan of Queens knows you want more than just a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Imagine driving this grey '03 Chevrolet Avalanche, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine, with only 54,574 miles. Enjoy this utility truck with features like tilt steering wheel, cruise control, anti-theft security system, dual airbags, fog lamps, daytime running lights, power driver's seat, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this '03 Chevrolet Avalanche. See us at Nissan of Queens today.